Participants will receive a link via email. Here is the informed consent page, which explains the nature and purpose of the project and potential risks and benefits from participation. All participants will answer this regardless of which condition they are in. Following this is the instructions for how to complete the writing task. There are two different writing tasks. One that invites participants to express their thoughts and feelings of either dental pain or death. There are two prompts. At this point, the participant will either experience a delay or no delay. In the delayed condition, they will be given an article to read about hotels and answer 4 questions about it, such as, did you enjoy the article? If they experience no delay, they will proceed directly to the word generation task, where they will be asked to come up with 5 words using the letters above. Instructions are given. After this, there are 2 demographic questions about gender and age. An exit interview is included to determine if any of the participants meet the exclusion criteria, with questions such as, did you have trouble understanding the instructions provided to you during the study? The study concludes with a debriefing section that explains the purpose of the study in greater detail and provides contact information for any participants with concerns.